Ndi party anyị, I respect you all and I welcome you all to this very important event. On your behalf, I warmly welcome the very important visitor we have today, His Excellency Governor Nyesom Wike, the Governor of Rivers State, our brother and neighbor. Nyesom Wike is a great man, courageous leader, dynamic, fearless, yet very kind-hearted. We are indeed delighted to receive him and his entourage, a visit that gives us the opportunity to see him, to hear him, and to appreciate his capacity, rather than judge him from social media reports, which often paint a false and unfair picture of him as an enigma, or as a maverick, or an eccentric who is a disruptor with huge resources at his disposal. In fact, the governor is a unique personage, very courageous, strong-willed, clear-headed and focused man, a man who is able to state his beliefs and convictions without equivocation. He represents a great resource for Nigeria and for PDP. Honestly, PDP is blessed with this great array of presidential aspirants, and I pray that we can persuade all of them to have the humility to form a cabinet that the party can deploy to defeat the other party and rescue and rebuild our battered country. Governor Wike, we have a great hope in you and your other colleagues, and I appeal to you and commend you for your willingness to serve your country at this time of great need. We are keen to hear you, your ideas, your strategies, your plans, your magic wand to rebuild Nigeria's economy after restoring peace, security, and stability. Nigeria is in search of a great leader at this critical time in our history. Governor Wike, are you the one? Governor Wike, welcome to Imo State. we want to listen to you. Imo State loves you because you are very direct. You are very outspoken. You are not shy to define what you believe. So on behalf of Imo State PDP, I welcome you and urge you to take the platform and tell us the future, the new vision, your idea of salvation for Nigeria. Governor Wike, welcome to Imo State.
Start by thanking the chairman and members of his council for the warm welcome we have received from the point we entered Okigwe Road to the secretariat. The street was jam-packed. Everybody was happy. We are in celebrating mood, courtesy of all the arrangements that have been made. We thank you and we appreciate you. Your Excellency, 4 years ago, around 7 p.m., I was in this hall to introduce myself and present myself as an aspirant of our party, to say I was capable, I was competent, I was eligible, I was dynamic, I was X, I was Y. Today, I'm here in company of Governor Wike to say all these qualities I have listed. Capability, Wike is more capable. I'm bringing a more competent person, more eligible person, more courageous person, somebody that is fearless, as we all know, and above all, somebody that is very kind-hearted. In our Nigeria today, somebody that has believed in development and has delivered dividend of democracy to his people. Somebody that has been tested and has passed. Because some other people have not been tested. This governor has been tested and he has passed. Every day is project. Every day is commissioning. Every day is peace. Every day is visitors touring into rivers. Every day is economic development, growth, tranquility, justice, fairness. This is what Wike stands for, and this is what Nigeria needs today. In our Nigeria today, we are living under the umbrella of a government that has failed, that has accepted that it has failed. Have they passed in security? No. Have they passed in alleviating our people from poverty? No. What of economic growth? No. What is their balance sheet? Failure. The balance sheet is full of hunger, starvation, acrimony, all sorts of things that we have forgotten about in Nigeria. I don't want to say too much. I want to introduce the solution. The solution to Nigerians' diversity today. Somebody that will unify our people. We need somebody that will bring together our people. We are more divided than we were in 1959 today. The insecurity in Congo, we are more unsecured than an animal jungle. We are more divided. I therefore want to use this opportunity to introduce His Excellency, the incoming President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Commander-in-Chief, Governor Nyesom Wike, for his address, Your Excellency.
Mr. Chairman, let me first of all, on behalf of my team, thank and appreciate you and members of your team for giving us the opportunity to be here today, the 12th of April, 2022. We have come to Imo State to interact with leaders of our party, to interact with those who will give us the mandate to fly the flag of the party in the 2023 presidential election. I said I was not going to send any team to consult with you. I was coming personally to consult with you. We are seeking for. It requires energy. It requires strength. And so you must show from the beginning that you have that strength. You have that energy to carry out the assignment, not just an ordinary assignment, very taxing assignment. Assignment that you have to move from place to place. Assignment that requires you to stay from the office and work for the people. And that is why I say, look, the first test is, do you have the capacity to move around the 36 states? I have the capacity to move around 36 states. Each time our party people will say, but for Wike, the party would have died. But for Wike, the party wouldn't have been here. But for Wike, this party wouldn't have gone where it is. Now the same person has come out. That Wike, who has stood for this party, that Wike, who has made this party not to die, that Wike, who has contributed enough to make this party to be alive, I have not come out to say I want to now lead this party. The chairman has said, what is the magic we have? Nigeria is full of talent. Nigeria is full of people who are very intelligent. What is the problem of this country today is what? Leadership. A leader that has the ability to coordinate and organize the best of brains to make this country to move forward. I cannot be a lawyer. I cannot be at the same time an engineer. I cannot be at the same time a chief economist. I cannot be at the same time an accountant. I cannot be at the same time a doctor. But you require somebody who can galvanize, coordinate, and take leadership, that he is in charge. And that's what we are lacking. Today, you don't even know who is the president of Nigeria. All we hear, President Muhammad Buhari. But truly, when it is in terms of actions and the rest, you begin to ask, who is really in charge? If you elect me, if you give me the mandate of the party, which I know I will win the election in 2023, I will be in charge as the president and commander-in-chief of armed forces. Nigeria, we have got to the point where ordinary to sign an electoral act has become a ceremony where Nigerians are now beginning to, will he sign, will he not sign? It is not that you are doing Nigerians good. And the day he signed, Nigerians are jubilating. Nigerians are passed through tension, emotion for ordinary electoral act that will deepen our democracy. Every day you watch channels, breaking news. The president is meeting with the service chiefs. That is breaking news. President is meeting with the service chiefs. How can that be news? Is he not supposed to meet with them? So how can that be news? In any case, you have given us as news. What is the outcome? What we're interested is result. Today, we have gotten to the point where terrorists are taking over international airports. We are going to the point that where trains are not being bombed. Every time we are only defending, we are not being proactive, because We don't spend money on intelligence. It's only when it happens we come out. Nobody can talk about security without intelligence. Intelligence is a key. You can even spend more money in intelligence than even the weapons. Because when you have intelligence, you can stop that happening. That is the truth. Our party, we should stop this idea that giving ticket to those who just want to answer the name presidential candidate, former presidential candidate. I don't want that name. What I want is that I will be the president of Nigeria, not presidential former. I don't want to answer that name. I didn't come out here for you to give me ticket so that I'll be former presidential candidate. The day you give me ticket, I will become the president of Nigeria. There's a time for everything. The time we have now, you require somebody who can take on this APC. You require somebody who can say, enough is enough. Every Nigerian knows me. You know that I will do this. You know I will not do this. You don't need to guess. You don't need to guess. You need a firm person, courageous, fearless person. You can't go for this election without you leading. You can't be at the back. You will be in front. And I can tell you, all I'm requesting for you today, I did not collect Senate form to say if I lose, I go to Senate. I'm not going anywhere. What I'm prepared is for this particular seat, being the president of Nigeria. I don't want Chief hold the form for me. If it's no go, once will not for that one. It's only one thing I came for. It's the presidential thing. I'm not for hold it. I don't know what may happen. Then when I call you, you will draw, give me. I said from the beginning, no. No. Because when you begin to do that, it means that you're not prepared. You're not prepared to face this task. I am fully prepared for it. Look at my antecedent. I want governor you cannot see, both in the night or in the afternoon, and where I don't know, the place I'm going to take over in May 29, 2023. You can't see me in the night, you can't see me in the daytime. I'm fully PDP and unrepentable PDP. I have never left this party one day, never. Since 1998, if it is good, I'm here. If it is bad, I'm here. And so you must also give the ticket to those who are committed to the party. Not when you give ticket today to another person. Tomorrow, another thing happen. I will not. Because there's no other place I can run to other than the umbrella called the People's Democratic Party. And the only person that can face these people and win the election, look, let me remove my glass. Look, some people say they don't like the way he's talking. If the way I talk is result. It's result. You know, so whether I'm talking like a gentleman, I'm not talking like a gentleman, please forget that. My face is rough, forget it. What is important? Results. And I want to bring the results. It's not, it's time. He shouted. Okay, sorry, I've shouted. Sorry, I have shouted. But look, if shouting can give us results, let us continue to shout. That's what PDP requires now. Forget about everybody telling you story. This one, you know, he's not gentle. You that is gentle, have you got a result? Oh, he's not romantic. You that are romantic, have you got a result? So leave all this coming here to tell you know, we have to take it one for what? We're dying. He said we should take wire. Wire for what? This is not the period of wire. No, this is not the period. We have suffered enough. If we don't take the power now, it will be difficult for you in Imo State to win in 2023. It will be difficult for you. It will, if you like, speak any grammar. In fact, Imo should be serious. So all of you who have not made up your mind to vote for me, make up your mind now. Now. You don't need to wait again. It is me that will go and take this power from APC, bring it to PDP on behalf of Nigerians. I know some of your friends are not supporting me. You shouldn't bother yourself, because I will win. Dear people of Imo State, I want to thank you to even spare our time to come and listen to us. Nobody can buy such with money if you don't have that love. You have waited here for about 2 hours before I came. How do I buy it? Look at the prominent people seated here. How do I buy it? All I can say, thank you for this honor you are giving to me. And let me tell you, I will not take for granted your support. I will not take your support for granted. I know what you are facing in Imo State. And I want to tell you, I share it with you. I'm going to work with you for Imo to be rescued as we want to rescue Nigeria. It is very, very important. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.